In this article, we will be taking a look at the top 15 insurance company in USA. To skip our details analysis, you can go directly to see the top 5 insurance companies in USA. The United States is the biggest insurance market in the world by far by premium volume, making up around 40% of the total global premiums written. The history of the insurance industry in the country is vast and rich, with Benjamin Franklin himself also forming a mutual insurance company known as the Philadelphia Contributorship in 1752, and is actually the oldest still operating insurance carrier in the country. There are three types of insurance sectors operating in the United States: property, casualty, life annuity, and private health insurance. Property casualty insurance deals with insurance pertaining to home, commercial, and auto insurance. Meanwhile, life annuity deals with life insurance in addition to annuity products. However, we first like to discuss health insurance in the United States. Private health insurance in the United States is extremely interesting. It is the only developed country in the world to not have social health care, which is where private insurance comes in. In the US, healthcare is often tied to employment, with employers providing health insurance to their employees rather than the government instead of a basic right. Health coverage is a privilege to incentive in the country. While there have been attempts to nationalize healthcare in the country, they have not been successful at all. If you are not insured in the US, then only luck can help you out in most cases. Hospitals often overbill people significantly, and even normal prices in the US for procedures, medicine, surgeries, and hospital charges are much higher than in most other countries. Hospitals overcharge so that they can then negotiate with insurers, who can make the hospital reduce their bill. On the other hand, the average uninsured person neither has the time nor the wherewithal to challenge hospital and are stuck paying incredibly expensive bill, which can cripple their financial situation. Of course, there are many companies which earn billions of dollars at the expense of the health of the average person, and many of these makes our list of the top insurance company in US, as well as the property casualty sector in the insurance industry makes up around 53% of the total premium underwritten, while life annuity accounted to 47%. Healthcare insurance is incorporated within these two sectors and not measured separately. Net premium in 2021 were $1.5 trillion according to the Insurance Information Institute, while providing employment to more than 2.8 million people, according to the Department of Labor. However, the insurance industry's outlook is not as rosy, considering that the world seems to be imminently heading into a recession, while inflation is seeing record height in many countries in 2022. Record heights in many countries in 2022. This is leading to challenge to generating profits from underwriting assets in such as economic situation, and the requirement of the top insurance company in the USA needing to adapt the latest technology and overhaul their systems to improve efficiency and cut costs where possible. There are 74 insurance companies included in the Fortune 500 2022 list. This shows the importance of the industry to the biggest economy in the world, recording $1.84 trillion in revenue in 2021 with profits of around $125 billion. The assets held by these giants are worth around $9.6 trillion, providing employment to around 1.5 million people. To determine our ranking for the top insurance companies in the USA, we consider revenue, profit, assets, and the number of employees each company has. We assign 30% weightage to the first two criteria and 20% weightage to the next two. Using multiple criteria allows us to come up with more accurate rankings rather than just ranking a company based on the revenue alone. We also excluded Berkshire Hathaway from our calculation, as while as is involved in insurance, it is primarily a financial service and investment company. So without further ado, let's take a look at the giants of the insurance industry, starting with number 15. Nationwide Mutual Insurance Company. Total revenue of the company in millions, 47,376. Total profits of the company in millions, 1,617. Total assets of the company in millions, 2,78,412. Total employees of the company, 24,134.